Thank you very much for the wonderful donation that you have given today as a director of Shop and Save. And as you alluded to, it's a Fijian family, Fijian-owned business, and certainly we are very happy to be here with the Honourable Minister for Defence to accept this on behalf of the frontliners, the civil servants that are carrying out the fight on our behalf. This has been led ably by the Honourable Prime Minister and my cabinet colleagues, and it's great to see that the teams that are working. We've seen how Dr. Fong and the team have actually outlined the plan that has been in terms of the strategy that we have in place, and donations such as these are very helpful in being able to support our frontline staff. What has been great to see is the way that civil servants right across Fiji have been able to come together, just as we do with any other disasters, and work hand in hand. It's nice to see that they've dovetailed very well in terms of what needs to be done. Everybody's accepted that at this time that COVID-19 is something of a major concern right throughout the nation, in terms of the battle that we are working together with to be able to try and resolve. And the role of the private sector in terms of supporting the work we do, as I've alluded to earlier, is very important, because that also shows to the frontliners that not only are the people supporting them or the government is actually supporting them, but also the private sector is supporting them. And that actually really also improves their morale. I also like to say at this instance is that our strategy has been to have containment, to have the public health measures that we have, to have surveillance and testing, and that is very important. Surveillance and testing, Dr. Fong has alluded to the idea that some may be wary about fever testing, about swabbing and surveillance, and I think it's important that we all take leadership and responsibility, that when we need to be tested, when we need to be swabbed, that we actually come forward and accept that responsibility. And also the other important thing is the treatment that happens to those patients that are being looked after by the frontliners, and the public health measures. And this is something that, if anything, the Honourable Minister and I would like to reiterate today, the importance of us abiding by the public health measures, because that does work. So the being able to accept that wearing a mask, hand hygiene, the distancing, the no mass gathering is very important in terms of our long-term efforts to be able to contain COVID-19 and keep ourselves COVID contained. So we're very thankful for your support, and we also thankful for the many others that have actually supported us, and also the frontliners in the different roles that they play. And we want to thank you, and we wish your company all the best. And as the Honourable Minister said, we are all in this together, and when this is completed, then the businesses can then carry on again business in the new normal. Thank you.